From Madonna to Rihanna to Kate Moss and Victoria Beckham, they all took the red carpet by storm, quite literally. Yes, you've tuned into E! Now and I'm Janice Aquera, and without further ado, let's take you straight to fashion's biggest night and get you a lowdown on all the fashion hits and even better, the misses. Trust me, you want to watch this one.
It's on every fashionista's aspiration list because it can't get bigger than this. It's the Metropolitan Museum of Art's Costume Institute Gala in New York. So if you've got an invite, you have arrived. Who's that? Did we just spot Rihanna in that dreadful black disaster? It's her first red carpet appearance since she was allegedly beaten by the then-boyfriend Chris Brown. The other star of the red carpet clearly was Marc Jacobs. His designs for Louis Vuitton ranged from the classy to the bizarre, like the one Madonna chose in those bunny ears. What's more, jewel gloves but fingerless, thigh-high black boots, sleeveless mini dress teamed with a puffed skirt, but hey, we still can't get our eyes off those horns. Looks like a big push to get out of adoption blues. And how would you rate this gold turban look of Kate Moss? Another Lame Marc Jacobs creation. Or maybe Lady Beckham's pink shorty with that long tail. Train, whatever.
I love a woman's body, I love a woman's shape, and I want to flatter that, and I want to do it in a really timeless, chic, elegant way, and I'm so fortunate to do what I love to do. I'm very lucky.
What about this on-off hot couple, Justin Timberlake and Jessica Biel? Justin looking somber and Jessica startling in her Versace. Following in her red steps, the usually understated swung.
Just Francisco Costa, who obviously designs for Calvin, has become a good friend of mine. A lot of the designers are good friends of mine, but Calvin was really one of the first people, was the first person to reach out to me.
The much pregnant Heidi Klum took home the prize for maximum fabric. Nonetheless, this one was a gorgeous J. Mendel.
I love seeing all the designers, I love seeing the models, I love seeing, the editors and the people that, I haven't seen in a while, and I like it, it's fun.
Liz Hurley and Arun Nair are obviously still together, as she stepped out in a breathtaking Elie Saab sweeping gown. The other designer to have made impact here was Stella McCartney, with Kate Hudson and Liv Tyler sporting her creations.
It's here for the free booze. We're just happy to be together. We're having the most, we've been getting ready since like 2 o'clock today, listening to music and drinking champagne.
With a running theme of fashion over 5 decades, the gala this time was co-hosted by Anna Wintour, the Dragon Lady of Vogue, and Donatella's interpretation of the event was the final word.
It's important because we're celebrating models, and these girls we're coming into life, they give so much for fashion, and I'm very happy to see all of them.
Entertainment Bureau, Times Now.